Hello, I'm Shubham. In this video, we're going to make it easy for you to get answers by showing you how to create frequently asked questions, or FAQs, in PLG OS. FAQs are a great tool. They help reduce the number of support tickets you get and let your users find quick answers to common questions on their own. From your PLG OS dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar. Click on Campaigns. In the menu that appears, scroll down and select FAQs. On the Frequently Asked Questions page, look to the top right. Click the button that says Add New FAQ. A pop-up window titled Add FAQ Question will appear. In the question field, type the question your users frequently ask. In the answer field, provide the clear and helpful answer. In the Select Campaign section, you need to choose where this FAQ will be displayed. Use the drop-down menu to select the relevant campaign. Finally, click the button that says Add FAQ. You'll see a success message that says FAQ saved successfully. Your new FAQ is now live and available to users within that selected campaign. That's all there is to it. Adding clear FAQs is a simple way to boost your user's experience. If you have any questions or feedback on this process, please drop them in the comments below.